In this video, I'll show you how to add a table to your questions in Google Forms. It's a simple way to make your form look more organized and easier to understand. Let's get started. First, go to Google Drive where all your files are stored. Once you're there, click the New button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Google Forms, then choose Blank Form to start fresh. When your form opens, give it a title by clicking on Untitled Form at the top. Choose a clear name so people know what your form is about. Next, add a question by clicking the plus button on the right side. Type your question as usual. If you want something similar to a table format, you can also explore options like multiple choice grid or checkbox grid. Now, to add a custom table, you'll need to create it separately. Open Google Sheets and build your table using rows and columns. Once your table is ready, take a screenshot of it and save it to your computer. Go back to your Google form and click the image icon to upload your table. Select your saved screenshot and insert it into the form. After uploading, you can adjust the alignment or size so it looks clean and centered. Finally, click Send to share your form with others. And that's it! You've successfully added a table to your Google form, making your questions more structured and visually clear.